Hi everybody, this is Emily from the NetZoom team. Many enterprises utilize a Network Operations Center, or NOC, to help monitor their operation. NetZoom comes with hundreds of pre-populated dashboards to display crucial information about your data center in a single pane of glass. You can use these dashboards to configure one or more command centers and run them from within NetZoom. First, let's log into NetZoom. Enter your NetZoom application server URL in the web browser. Then enter your username and password. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Command Center feature. This is found under the My Task menu. Click the plus icon to create your command center. Enter a name and, if you wish, a description. Click the Save button when finished. Now that your command center has been created, let's add some dashboards to it. Select your command center in the Command Centers pane, and then in the Assign Dashboards to Command Center pane, check the dashboards you want to include. When you choose to run the command center, each dashboard will be ran in its own window. You can even create your own dashboards to use in command centers if you wish. Now that we've created a command center, let's talk about running it. We'll use this PDC command center since it's already configured. Select it and click the Run button. This will launch all the dashboards we've added in their own windows. All the normal controls for a dashboard are here, and we can resize the windows or even drag them to other displays if we want. Back to the feature, we can also set our command center as our home dashboards using the Set as Home button. Clicking the Set as Default button will make the selected command center the default My Task command center. When this command center feature is clicked, it will automatically run the default command center. As you can see, the dashboards that were in the command center we just set as our home dashboards are now checked in the Home Dashboard category of user settings. To revert the home dashboards to default, uncheck the command center dashboards in the user settings. Remember that command center dashboards are user specific. That covers the basics of setting up a command center in NetZoom. We recommend that you create your own command centers to test this feature out and discover which dashboards work best for your organization. Please check out our other videos for more tips on how to use the NetZoom product. And if you're interested in trying out NetZoom for your own data center, visit netzoom.com to schedule a free demo.